amazing place this is. It's Montagnano. Nee, Montagnana. Yes.
We decided to wake up really early today. We camped in kind of a swamp with a swarm of mosquitoes. So we're happy that we're on the road now. And yeah, the sun is coming up in half an hour or something.
After being almost constantly on the road for 2 months, we felt the urge to change gears. Crossing the Alps into Italy, we decided we wanted to dive a little deeper into the Italian culture. Through Workaway, we got in contact with an Italian couple with a partly self-sustaining farm. A way of living we are keen on to learning more about. In exchange for our work efforts, we got our own room and were provided with delicious homemade Italian food. We had such a wonderful time meeting their lovely community of family and friends. We had long walks through the national park with the dog, and last but not least, we honed and learned new skills to take with us into the future.
We're gonna try to move some bees from one place to the other. So this is a little bit hanging over my head.
Let's look at the bees. Yeah, just relax, and it's really nice to be amongst such a vibrant community of bees. Super cool.
No! Shit!
I just wanted to clear my thoughts a little bit on camera about what I think until now of the cycle tour that we started 2 months ago. And bicycle touring is maybe the most interesting and amazing thing that I've done until now in my life. And yeah, that's mostly because of all the experience with the beautiful people you meet, all the things they have done for us, just like, you know, a little thumbs up or a wave, or bringing some coffee out of nowhere and inviting us for breakfast, or inviting us to sleep somewhere, or people are really, really caring in every country we've been until now. You learn so much. It's a physical, it's a mental challenge. It's such a great way to travel. And I'm really happy that I took this step in my life, just to take a year off and go. So that's of course one part. And the other part, which is smaller, but it's also there. Although it's really fun, it's also quite demanding sometimes, cycling on a straight road for hours with traffic in the heat of the day. It's really tough because you're going up and down, and the whole routine of the day, like setting up camp, breaking off camp, packing the bags, fixing your bicycle, takes a lot of energy. Overall, I'm really happy to do this, and I'm really ready for the next part. So now I'm just gonna lay my head down for a little bit and see you later on the road.
We just climbed the first part. We're going now to, what's it called again? Bobbio, yes. And it's not too bad on the bicycle. We're doing good. The legs are strong, and it's a beautiful day.
The guy over there. We are just chilling right here.
Snoring.
And I heard something, so I woke up, and here we are with 2 coffee. People are amazing. So, cheers random guy. Today we have coffee with pasta taste. And then we
Wow. Okay. Absolutely amazing. We were here just the whole afternoon, relaxing at the Po River. These men were playing their games, and the last man were leaving. And this man said, "You cannot sleep here. You have to sleep inside, because unless you get bitten alive by the mosquitoes." And now we can sleep in this boat here next to the Po.
So the boat, it's meant for retired people that come here to play cards, and yeah, it's just a place to relax. Also for in the winter time, they have a nice little wood stove to heat the place up. We're really happy that we can escape the mosquitoes now, because it's terrible.
Good morning. It was hot yesterday evening here inside the boat, so we decided to put a tent next to the river, and we had a good night's sleep there.
Oh, it's a great view.
Think, Bart.
Je touwbuur.
Do you remember our friend Bart from Zurich? He sent a text message that it was time to come over and cycle with us for a week or so. We hopped on the bus to Milan and took the train to Piacenza. There we met, and the next days we explored this part of Italy together. Good morning, lady.
Good morning, sir.
What's the plan for today? Early morning grumpiness happens.
Ja. Zijn we weer. Wij zijn nu.
Wacht in het Engels.
Ah,
Can you do that?
oh yes.
Okay,
We're here at the apartment Venice Bella, where we are not going to stay. Why not? This person, no way, he calls himself, gave this apartment a 3.3. A nightmare place. Bad, bad, bad. This one gives a 10. It's a beautiful house. Interior was too good. I didn't like anything in the hotel. That was the plus point. And there was a weird smell coming out of the toilet. Bad, bad, bad. When checking in, the staff member told us not to turn on the lights because it costs too much. Suitable for backpackers who are single. A nightmare place. That we could leave in the morning alive. That was the plus point. Very dusty, no toilet rolls, shower had hair in it, bedsheet had mysterious stains. One plus said okay. The plus was I found 2 bed bugs. Who dares staying in this apartment? So, well, let's leave it at that. Let's get a beer.
Yeah.
And that's it.
We rode our bikes to the sea again. 9 weeks ago we left the North Sea, went through Europe, crossed the Alps, and now we're here at the Adriatic Sea. It's the Mediterranean, and behind me there, that's Venice. It's a big point in our trip going east. We're gonna follow the Silk Route, and it's gonna be an amazing adventure.